What is up, everyone? Today we are gonna see how this ultrasonic cleaner works. So we have a couple chains of them here. They're not that dirty to begin with. This one looks like a little like brown tarnish. So all we're gonna do is chuck them in there. Actually, I want to chuck the one I have on as well. Show you this one too. There's that one. In between the links looks a little off, so toss that in there too. Has this little basket. It's just like the normal one on Amazon. It's like 20 bucks. And then in this cup, I have some Dawn and some hot water. Give it a little stirry. Toss that in there. Agitate it a little bit. Make sure everything's submerged. Close the lid. It's got a little on-off button. 180 seconds. If you don't have one of these, just make the same little mixture and then just get a toothbrush, dip it in, and then kind of scrub the chain in between the links. But I'll let this run and then we'll see how they look. All right, and we are back. 180 seconds have gone by. Just gonna agitate them a little more. Take them out. You can already see looking pretty shiny. I'm gonna go rinse them in the sink and then put them on this paper towel. All right, all cleaned off now. There they are. I'm gonna drop them there. Put this back in here. Actually, we should see, does it look kind of dirty in there? Zoom in a little bit. Oh yeah, look, little pieces. All your dead skin and oils floating around in there. All right, we'll finish that up later. And then I kind of just close it up a little and shake them around. Get a little water out of the links. And usually I'll let them sit here for a little while. But look at that. I haven't done reviews on any of these yet, but I will. This is the newest pickup here. If the camera would focus. 4.5 millimeter rope chain, Luke's Ion diamond cut, 22-inch curb, 4 millimeter Luke's Ion, 3 millimeter sparkle chain or the rock chain, Luke's Ion, 22-inch. So that's the end result. And then another thing you probably don't want to forget, but it will be an extra expense, is one of these. So the one side is supposed to clean it. As you can see, used it. Obviously it works. There's crap all over it. This side cleans it. This side is supposed to polish it. So normally when I'm done, I'll do that with all of them as well, and then hang up the ones I'm not gonna wear and throw the other one back on. But yeah, like I said, if you don't have one of these, just use a toothbrush and soap. Dawn dish soap, scrub them down. Normally I'll kind of get the toothbrush, hold it right here, and then just, oh shoot, I should probably make sure the camera can see him. Hold the toothbrush, we'll just pretend this is a toothbrush. Hold the bristles like right here, and then just kind of pull the chain through. So hold the toothbrush like that, pull the chain through, pull it through, flip it around, do it the other side, rinse it off, polish it up, you're good to go. These things look fantastic. They weren't even that dirty to begin with, honestly. I barely started wearing this one like a week ago, so it probably didn't really need a clean, but here they are again. In all the glory. Take this out. Before, but you can see the light shimmering off that one. I don't know why this one looks like orangey yellowy in between the links, but whatever.